If you want to install Rocket League Sideswipe on your Android phone, open your settings first. Scroll down until you see apps and tap on it. Then find the app Chrome or whatever browser you are using. Scroll down and go to Install Unknown Apps. Toggle on this option so we can download and install Epic Games and Rocket League Sideswipes outside of the Play Store. Since we are going to install safe apps, this is okay to do, but please change it back and toggle off after you have installed Epic Games and Sideswipe, because of course there are also dangerous apps out there and this is for your safety. After this, open the Chrome browser on your phone and go to the official website of Epic Games, epicgames.com. Then scroll down and open the games right here and tap on Rocket League. A new website page is opening. Just tap on the 3 lines hamburger icon in the top right corner. Then tap on Sideswipe and here tap on Download Now. Since we need to download Epic Games first, tap on Download Now. Your phone maybe is asking for permission, just accept if it's the same like here, and then just tap on install. After installing, open Epic Games, tap on get started and then log in or create a new account if you haven't one yet. And then we are going to look for Rocket League Sideswipe. Just use the search box on top, look for Rocket League and open it. And then you will see an install button or a small cloud icon. Just tap on it to install it. This can take a while and it's maybe also asking again for permission. Just accept in your settings and then just install it. It can take a few minutes, up to 10-20 minutes. It's up to your device and internet speed. But in comparison with other games, it's very fast to install. And then you just need to open it, log in into your Epic Games account, and then you're ready to play Rocket League Sideswipe. Have fun!